Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to talk about 10 jobs that you can do from home that are going to pay you more than $100 per day. So if you're thinking of starting to work from home or becoming an online freelancer, this video is for you. Let's get started. The first job is the one of a Pinterest VA or virtual assistant. What a Pinterest VA does is takes care of business profile on Pinterest for different businesses or individuals. Pinterest VAs can either be paid per hour or per project. They can actually get paid from $10 an hour to $50 an hour or more, depending on what the job is and who's it for. Some Pinterest VAs also choose to be paid per project, so they can do account setups or account makeovers, me included. They choose to charge from $200 to even $900 per project. The next job is the one of a virtual assistant. What a virtual assistant does is assists people with different tasks online that they cannot do themselves. For example, somebody has a business and doesn't have time to do all the online tasks that they need, managing social media, for example, adding pictures to products, so different tasks that business owners don't have time for and they need help with. Virtual assistants can get paid from $10 an hour to $50 an hour. The next one is that of a graphic designer. Graphic designers can get paid in multiple ways. They can get paid for an hour depending on what they're working on and who they're working for. So for example, per hour is going to be from $15 to $50. They can also get paid per project. So for example, they design a logo, a website for somebody. The next job is that of a YouTuber or a blogger. It might take a little time to earn an income as a YouTuber or a blogger, but when you do, you can get paid from ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. So as a YouTuber, let's say you work 3 hours a day for a whole month, Monday to Friday. If you made $2,000 a total, you might be making more than $33 per hour, so that means more than $100 per day. The next job is that of a proofreader. In order to earn good money as a proofreader, you need to have excellent skills in grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Proofreaders get paid from $15 an hour to $30 an hour. The next job is that of a freelance writer or a ghostwriter. These people can make money per word, per hour, or per project. An experienced ghostwriter can make up to $2,000 per project depending on the work he's doing. As a freelance writer, you can write articles on blogs for other people, product descriptions, and more. As a freelance writer, you can get paid per word, up to $1, or up to $8 an hour, or even more. The next job is that of product photographers. People usually send products to product photographer so that they can photograph it for them either in a studio, either in a live kind of style with models and props. Product photographers can get paid per image, up to $100 per image, per hour, or per product that he is taking a picture of. The next job is a logo designer. A logo designer designs logos for new businesses and they can charge from $100 per logo. The next job is that of a website designer. Website designers get paid per project or per hour. Depending on the work that needs to be done or how complex the website is, they can get paid from $25 an hour to $100 an hour. And the last job that I have for you is that of a transcriber. A transcriber's salary depends on the company he's working for and how much work is there to do. Usually transcribers take about 4 hours to transcribe 1 hour worth of audio, and they get paid from $15 an hour to $25 an hour, depending on how speedy they work and how experienced they are. They obviously need to have a really good knowledge of the grammar and spelling of the language they're transcribing in. So this is it for this video. These are all the jobs that I have for you today. You're going to find resources that I found on how to become one of these people in the description below. If you have any questions for me, as I am a Pinterest VA and I can help you with that, make sure to leave them in the comments below. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next one.